Hello everyone, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. This shot is going to be the subject today, and this is a shot in our studio in Okinawa. And also I made this line image like a pencil used with by Adobe Photoshop filter code to find edges. Okay, now I'm gonna try on this one to some kind of illustrated photograph. Okay, I'm gonna turn this one tone down just a little bit. Then I'm going to add another layer. Well, I have a layer here, so I'm going to use this. Then put watercolor. Color is going to be the bluish, just like this kimono. Let's check it up. Some purple color. Then I'm gonna put this one biggest size of the brush and water flow 100%. Okay, let's try it. Now get red, check back and forth, red and purple, which are the balance of these. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then turn this one down, hold the opacity is 100 and turn this one off, and I'm gonna work on this picture, but I'm gonna just leave it here at this one. Then I'm gonna see the line image of this, change the blend mode to darken so I can see through, and turn this one fade out just a little bit. About 36%. Oops. Not this one, this one. Okay, and also create empty mask on this. Oh, no. I'm gonna convert to pixel layer, and then I'm gonna take some surround here. I'm gonna just spin it on the white. With well, not watercolor, huh? Is it? Can I do that? Well, try it. Oh, wait a minute. I guess I didn't select the brush, watercolor brush. So I guess I used the watercolor round detail on background of this purple and red. So why don't I make watercolor wash flat, which is bigger size of a different texture. Okay, just leave this one here. That's it. Then turn this one off. Then again, I'm going to add the layer. Then I'm going to do it again with the first purple to put around here. Much bigger brush texture, huh? Okay. Now I'm gonna use red also, the other side. totally different atmosphere. Feeling is a lot changed much. A lot. Yes. No. Then I'm gonna try to, I don't know if I can do it. I haven't tried before. So let me try on add another layer to put the white. If it work or not, I don't know. Just try it. It may work. Yes. I put the white watercolor on this layer to hide this background of her background picture. Yeah, it's gonna fade it out. Nice. I don't want to see these tiles or background. I just want to make it on the watercolor background. So more illustrated. Okay, that's working okay. It shows some kind of texture also. Let's go bigger size to fade her clothes, kimonos out too. But I see the outlines anyways from this edge line. Okay. Pretty good. It's gonna affect over the kimono, but that's fine. It's that's okay. Maybe that's interesting. I found new technique. Okay, coming out pretty good. Okay, now let's take this find edge, layered, make a mask, create empty mask, convert, then hide this black lines on our face. Which one shall I use? The dry media, soft chalk. Okay, try on this. Okay, I'm hiding her, this pencil line image on this layer, you see, but I leave that some outlines just faded, but I don't need these black lines on her face. Take this totally out, but I leave this. Okay, that's cool. And now this is pencil lines all around. Just leave it there. Then I don't need this layer anymore. I'll just leave it here. I might use later. And let's add the water here, around here. Just fade it 30% or so to this. Oops, I gotta change the brush to watercolor wash flat. Okay, this one comes up, moves to all over. Okay, that's cool. Yes, colors faded out. That's why. That's cool. Then well, now, since this image is this is one, then this one is this white painted on the watercolor, still has some here on this, so leave this 100% normal. Then I'm gonna still add some okay, leave it 100%, and I'm gonna add watercolor white, leave it 50% or so to this around here. We're gonna hide with this white layer on top of this image layer. So you see now here it's moving. It's so creative, isn't it? That's fun. That's cool. That's nice. And also leave this green back, which is this one. Just this is a regular shot. Well, okay. Turn this one down, then make it more smooth image. Oops, I shouldn't touch here. I should put the watercolor here. So okay, now saddle green, that's fine. And also I'm gonna add maybe water on this real slight bluish color. I think this kind of dark image is coming through here. Maybe, yeah, I guess so. So I'm gonna put the water, white, pink, to here too, on this layer, which is a little bit bigger, and lots of water. Let's see. Okay, that's good now. See. Just watching the balance of this purple color. I may want some here too. Okay, that's about it. Okay, now what I want to do is check this image, which is this. Well, this is Still has some here, huh? On white. Completely take white. Okay. Like this. Not bad. Just a little bit. Touch up. Let's see if I wanna express this image. I'm gonna fade this one down like so. So which means maybe let's try on this to create empty mask. Then opacity is 100%, so just hide of this image with mask, so you see the line images here more clear. So I'm gonna use soft chalk again, a little bit bigger, smoother, and let's see. Yes, I can do that on this here. Add more white color to hide same way, same thing. But this watercolor I cannot control because it's going by AI. And that's interesting and fun thing too. But here it's masked, so I can control easily. Just take this out or in more. Reveal, that's what I mean. Okay, this is it for today. Well, thank you for watching this movie, and you guys, see you. Have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.